It is 6:30 in the morning and a cleaner calls out sick. Three homes are scheduled. One customer has a narrow access window, another requested the same cleaner, and the office starts sending frantic messages to everyone on the team. A rushed response can create unsafe driving, overtime, privacy mistakes, missed keys, and promises nobody can keep. In this video, we will build a call-out coverage system for cleaning businesses. We will prioritize jobs, match qualified replacements, protect access information, communicate realistic options, and use AI to draft the plan without making staffing decisions on its own. At the end, you will have a reusable callout prompt and decision board. Subscribe to AI Work Crew and turn on notifications for practical, new AI content coming out daily to help local service businesses save time, work smarter, and grow. Start before anyone calls out. Maintain an approved coverage profile for each cleaner that includes availability, service types they are trained and authorized to perform, geographic limits, vehicle or equipment constraints, team compatibility, where relevant, and maximum working hours, under company policy and applicable law. Do not include medical details, protected information, or private reasons for past absences in an AI system. Next, create a job coverage card. It should contain the scheduled window, estimated duration, area, required team size, approved skill or authorization requirements, access status, pet or occupancy flags, customer preferences that are actually contractual, and whether the job can be moved. Sensitive codes, addresses, names, and phone numbers should remain in the secure scheduling system. The planning card can use job identifiers and placeholders. When a callout occurs, sort jobs by constraints, rather than by which customer complains first. Identify jobs with fixed access, time-sensitive turnovers, team size requirements, specialized authorization, or limited rescheduling options. Then, identify flexible recurring work. Priority does not mean one customer is more valuable as a person. It means the operation has verified constraints that need to be handled first. Now check capacity honestly. A replacement must be available, qualified, within working hour limits, able to reach the job safely, and equipped for the approved service. Do not solve one call out by creating a 14-hour day, impossible travel, skipped breaks, or a solo assignment that should require two people. If safe capacity does not exist, the correct answer may be a customer choice rather than a heroic promise. Use this redacted AI prompt, using only the job identifiers, verified schedule constraints, approved service requirements, cleaner availability, authorization limits, travel estimates, and business rules below. Draft coverage options for manager review. Do not use protected employee information. Infer why anyone is absent, assign work, change pay, exceed working limits, or send customer promises. Show conflicts, unknowns, and the trade-offs of each option. Draft customer messages only after a manager selects an approved plan. Imagine Cleaner A is unavailable. Job 1 is a move-out service with a verified handoff deadline and a two-person requirement. Job 2 is a recurring home with flexible afternoon access. Job 3 has a customer-requested arrival window, but no contractual same cleaner promise. The system might show that two qualified team members can cover Job 1. Job 2 can move with customer approval, and Job 3 has two realistic windows. It must not pretend one person can perform all three. Once the manager chooses a plan, communicate with customers clearly. Say what has changed, what options are genuinely available, and when the customer needs to respond. Do not overshare an employee's personal situation. A message can simply say, "An unexpected staffing change affected the route." Offer a revised window, alternate approved cleaner, or reschedule according to policy. Avoid guaranteed arrival times unless the operation can truly support them. The replacement also needs a clean handoff. Confirm the approved scope, property notes, equipment, access process, pet and occupancy plan, customer-specific instructions, and exception history that is necessary for the work. Do not forward an uncontrolled thread full of old codes and private conversation. Give the replacement the current approved job record through the secure system. After the day, record what happened. Which jobs moved? How much travel and overtime were added? Were customers notified on time? Did missing training or unclear job notes limit coverage? Did one route depend too heavily on one person? Review patterns without punishing legitimate illness or encouraging people to work when they should not. The goal is operational resilience, not pressure to hide absences. Build a small coverage bench over time. Cross-train where appropriate, standardized job notes. Keep realistic buffers. Define an escalation contact. And know which services cannot be reassigned without specific experience. A call-out board works best when the underlying operation is organized. AI cannot manufacture qualified capacity that does not exist. Practice the system on a normal day. Remove one cleaner from a copy of tomorrow's schedule and ask the manager to build options without contacting customers or changing the live route. Look for missing job durations, unclear training records, impossible travel, uncontrolled access notes, and services that rely on one person. A rehearsal reveals fragile assumptions while there is still time to fix them. It also helps the manager communicate calmly when a real call-out arrives. The finished system combines approved cleaner coverage profiles, redacted job cards, constraint-based prioritization, safe capacity checks, manager-approved customer options, and a secure replacement handoff. AI organizes possibilities and drafts communication, while people make employment, safety, scheduling, and customer decisions. In the next video, we will build a surface safety workflow that helps cleaners avoid expensive damage from the wrong product or method.